Because then we don't have a rail problem.
Beautiful. Let's do that. It's gorgeous.
Serious? What are you doing here? If somebody sees you... I had to come and see you off, didn't I? And anyway, what's life without a little risk? I just don't want to see you get trapped back in Azkaban.
God, being trapped in that house day and night is almost as bad. The worst part about being a fugitive is how bloody boring it is. But I take that back. The worst part is people believing everything they read in the newspapers.
Oh! That's open now. Minus our guest.
Okay, sorry.
Ginny, my darling. And, no, that's right. There we are. There!
What have you got wrong? I say.
Now.
You will never be cold again.
Never get... Come on, let's see if it fits. Sit. Harry! Now then. Happy Christmas.
Thank you.
Open it up. That's it. More got drinks. Oh.
707, take 2.
And action.
This is very, very peculiar. Seems as if your hearing at the ministry is in front of the entire Wizengamot.
It's a set-up. A chance to publicly discredit Harry.
I'm afraid you may be right, Sirius.
Well, I don't understand. What has the Ministry of Magic got against me?
Did you actually believe? Or were you truly naive enough to think that children stood a chance against us? Against me? The prophecy, please.
The voices. Can you tell what they're saying?
There aren't any voices, Harry. Let's get out of here. I hear them too. It's just an empty archway. Please, Harry. They're going to be here any...
Get behind me!
Come on, cousin! You can do better than that.
No, it's very close.
Take 1, so you can.
I'm doing 14.
Let me make this terribly simple for you, Potter. Give it to me now, or watch your friends die slowly.
Of course it is, yes. The 816, take 1, see camera mark.
3 markers.
3, 2, 1, action!
Are you all right, Harry?
Serious? I saw you being...
I know, but it's all right. I'm fine.
You all right? Yeah.
My life, it's largely been a wasted one. 12 years in Azkaban, living on the run. The one good thing in it has been you. Don't take that away from me. You've done beautifully. Let me take it from here. And besides, they need their leader.
Boo! Get there. Fancy a little crucio? Huh?
The Orders are here already.
Yes, by which time I shall be gone and you shall be dead.
There's a storm coming.